In a world where fear surrounds us, courage emerges from whispers of hope. This courage isn't loud. It's like a flickering candle in a cavernous darkness. Imagine our artist stepping nervously onto a path formed by their own resolve. Art is their language, a tapestry of feelings woven into vibrant colors and daring strokes. Yet fear whispers constantly, casting shadows on their self-belief and inner drive. These shadows become specters of self-doubt, looming with whispered words of criticism. Yet, courage is a lighthouse, a steadfast glow guiding through turbulent seas. It teaches the artist to paint with conviction, crafting from both heart and fears. The bridge that once trembled now stretches firm, forged from the essence of creativity. And so, the artist creates, fear a companion rather than a barrier, weaving endless stories.